Hello everyone, welcome back to another section where I will show you how to create additional views. So without wasting time, let's dive right into it. So now that we have set our application URLs, let's dive to the views.py. So right now all we are going to do is we are going to just copy and paste these 3 times. So that's perfect. So only 3 times because we've got home already. All right, so let's just change this to about, and let's just change this to about to match our URLs. Let's just change this to services. Let's just change this to services. Let's just change this to contact. Let's change this to contact. Perfect. So that's all I wanted to show you in this section. So in the next section, I'm going to take you through creating our base template, and we'll just focus on the base template and the template inheritance. Okay, so basically that's all that I wanted to show you, but I think before I do that, let me just show you something real quickly, right? So let's just do this. Right, as you can see, if we navigate here, this is our home page. So let's just try to access our any of our pages, like the services page. Right, so I just want to show you real quick what's going to happen. As you can see, we are able to access our individual pages through this. Right, so go on and try the other pages. As you can see, so it means all our pages are working. Perfect. So that's all that I wanted to show you.